Hello friends, I am VM. In this video, I am going to show you how to check IP address in Windows 7 operating system. Now you see here, this is our IP address. Okay. Now I am going to show you three methods to check IP address. Okay. Now click on this network icon, right click on network and internet setting. Okay. After this, now click on Ethernet. Now you see here, this is our IP address. Okay, this one method is over. I am going to show you second method. Now close this option. Now open run command, press Windows plus R key. Okay. Now type cmd, hit enter. Now type here ipconfig, hit enter. Now you see this is our IP address. Okay. Now I am going to show you third method. Right click on network, click on show more option, click on properties, click on change adapter setting, click on network, click on status. Now click on detail. Now you see this is our IP address. Okay. Follow these three methods to check IP address. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.